Hello, I'm Erin Patanko, a data reporter at NJ Advanced Media. For this story, I took a look at the most truly diverse towns in New Jersey, and some of the results might surprise you. That's because I used the Diversity Index, a measure created by researchers to see how truly evenly mixed a population is. It also answers a simple question: if I took two random members of a population, what are the chances they would be of a different race? Well, by that metric, Essex County and other urban counties come out on top. But keep in mind that even towns can be segregated at the neighborhood and block level. However, New Jersey really is becoming a more diverse state year to year, as native New Jersey residents leave the state in favor of minority immigrants, and minority births outpace white ones. It gives an interesting glimpse into the future of New Jersey as a racially mixed state. So take a look for yourself at New Jersey's diverse towns, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.